Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This vlog I took at December end week and I've shared few recipes too. Hope you all will enjoy and let's start the vlog. This is Sultan Park in Maldives. This has two entrances. This time I'm coming from this National Art Gallery side. The play area is near, so I prefer this entrance. I have made a complete video of this park. The video link will be in the description box below. My younger one had a great time with his friend, but the weather is very hot, so it's right time to make the juice. These two juices are my go-to. It's very easy and delicious. Check the color, it looks so pretty and it tastes amazing. For this juice, you need a fresh juice of 3 oranges and a Sprite. That's it, and you will get a tasty, refreshing drink. It's 25th December, so we plan to go to a day trip to an island. Here in Malé, we are waiting for the speedboat near Jetty 7. Jetty is the place where boat will come and pick you. And for the international tourists, they will pick you from the airport. And for the day trip, you have to book it through Crossroads Maldives. The website detail will be on the screen. Just a 15 minutes air-conditioned speedboat ride is the country's first multi-island leisure and lifestyle destination designed to target both international tourists and locals looking for a day escape from the capital. Saii Lagoon and Curio Collection by Hilton, known as Hard Rock. These two resorts, which occupy their own individual island and connected by the narrow bridges. The day trippers and locals not allowed to go unless you have booking to stay. Here it's very expensive. I was planning to buy a sunglass for my younger one, but it was $20. The quality was also not good. So it's better to carry an essential item rather than buying from here. But if you want to buy a souvenir, it's better to buy from the local island shop or from the capital. Last time we had a dinner from here. The restaurant name is Kebab and Curry. You will get a good Indian cuisine. So we were checking the timing when it will be opened. We arrived here at 11 AM, so most of the shops and restaurants are closed. It will be open at 12:30 normally. This is Ministry of Crab restaurant. You will get so many restaurants and cafes here, and the night view is also stunning to watch. This is the Saii Beach Club. Here you have to register and select the package you are going for. According to that, you have to pay. It's Christmas Day, so many special events were organized here like fire show, beach party, DJ and many more. You will see further in this video. We went with the meal package. It's $65 per person and $35 per kid. That include of 3-course meal, soft beverages, pool access and locker and changing facility, live entertainment and access to kids activity at beach club. You can select according to your preference here, but price will differ. It's a resort, so life starts slow here. As the night fall, the light and music become loud. So we were also slow and relaxed and started with snack and beverages. It's hot here, but still I am having hot coffee here. It's lunchtime. We went to the main place where they have arranged the buffet for the day visitors and also for the private visitors from the resorts. It's Christmas Day. They have beautifully decorated, but any day or month you visit, they present very well. The flavors are mild, but butter chicken has become a universal dish. You can find it everywhere. After lunch, it's time for pool. You have to go to same place where we went early to register. They will give you a locker key, but you have to pay $20 each for a person. While going, return the locker key and they will give you the money back. And one more thing I forgot to mention, they will take only card inside, no cash, but only for locker you have to pay by cash. It's 4:30 and Santa coming time. Kids and parents are also eagerly waiting for Santa here.
Oh, yeah! Santa coming there! No, no, not yet, not yet, not yet. Not yet, not yet. 2, 3, Santa! Sorry, parents, today.
Saii Lagoon Crossroads arranged a fun-filled activity for kids for Christmas and also complimentary snacks for all. Kids got picked with Santa and got good gifts and candies.
Another island to give us.
Jump, hold.
Our younger one's energy is drained out and we called for an electric buggy. But the night is still young, lots happening out, but our time is over. Last year we stayed in Saii Lagoon Resort. When you stay in the resort, there is a lot of water sports activity, and we met Suresh Raina and his family near the kebab and curry restaurant, and we took a pic with them. If you like the vlog till now, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will show you further no bake easy dessert to make. To make a easy no-bake dessert, you need 270 grams of Marie biscuit or any other biscuit. Total, I've taken 41 Marie biscuits and break them into small pieces. And take 4 tablespoons of chopped nuts, any nuts of your choice. In a pan, add half cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder and half cup of water and mix it well and cook it in a low flame. When the mixture becomes hot, add 1/4 cup of butter, that is 20 grams of butter, and melt it. Dip the spoon and check if the mixture sticks to a spoon, if it is right consistency. Otherwise, cook it further till it sticks to a spoon in a low flame. For me, it took 8 to 9 minutes to get this consistency. Then let it cool down for 1 minute. Then add this into a biscuit pieces and mix well. Then add this mixture to a butter paper or a cling wrap and follow the step the way I am showing in this video. Keep it in a refrigerator for 2 hours, not in a freezer. I forgot, I got busy, so next day I opened it and sliced them the way I'm showing. It's very delicious and very easy to make. If you love to have a steak, come to New York Steak and Shack at Hulmale. I went with this Australian lamb steak, and my son, he took sizzling Southwest chicken, and my husband, he went for this black pepper beef rice. If you like the vlog, please do consider to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And those who are watching till the end, thank you so much for your support and time, and have a blessed day.
Black card, right? Black card.